Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to backup and restore Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. So first, open the settings of your phone and find the system. And here we should have the backup right here. Select backup, and if you are logged into your Google account, then you can just hit backup now to backup your phone. Then to restore that data, for example, you will be asked to restore that data after the factory reset. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave the like and see you in the next one.